Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. In this video, we'll learn how to add two numbers. Okay, just we'll take some static values and we'll add those numbers. And at the same time, we'll take the input from the keyboard and we'll add those two numbers. So hope you got it right, what we are going to do in this program or in this video. So let's take two numbers. Num1 equal to 5. Num2 equal to 10. Okay, so now if we have to perform sum, now I've taken two numbers, one value is 5, other value is 10. So just say sum equal to num1 plus num2. Okay, so this is how we perform sum. Print and just say sum. This will print the sum. Sum equal to num1 plus num2. So this will add num1 5 plus 10 15 and it will store this 15 in the sum. And finally we'll use this print function to print the value in the console. Let's run the program and see the output. You see the output is 15. But we want the format in such a way. Okay. So what we need to have is a sum of 5 and 10. Okay. Sum of 5 and 10 is 15. So I should get the output like that. So in order to get the output like that, what I need to do is just say print in single quotes the sum of, take the flower braces, okay, flower braces of 0 and 1 is, take the flower braces 2. I'll explain you what is this 0, 1, 2, okay. So dot format of num1 comma num2 comma sum. Okay, so now I'll explain. So this num1 is substituted in the 0th place. This num2 is substituted in place of 1 and this sum is substituted in the place of 2. So the sum of num1 and num2 is sum, which is equal to value num1 plus num2. So hope you got it right how we are doing this. So to print in a specific format, we have a format method in Python. What this format method will do is it will print. Okay, so let's run the program and see the output. Got it. Add1.py the sum. Okay, none type object has no attribute format. So the issue is we didn't imported this format. Let's do that. Here is the issue. So here we should not close this and here we should close this. And this dot format method, if you see now, it is fetching the documentation. What this format method will do, it will display the in the specific format. Okay, let's run the program and see the output. So now you see the sum of 5 and 10 is 15. The sum of 5 and 10 is 15. Now let's change the value to 10 and 20. Now let's run the program and see the output. The sum of 10 and 20 is 30. So now we have written the program in such a way it takes only the static values. Now let's run the program and take the input from the keyboard. So how do we do that? How to take the input from the keyboard? Num1 equal to input, enter first number. Num2 equal to input, enter second number. So we don't need any of these semicolons. I'm just removing this. So now we have entered the first number and now we have entered the second number. Now what we are going to do is we are going to perform sum on these numbers. Sum equal to float of num1 plus float of num2. Okay, Now again copy the same thing, copy the same line, print, and write here. Okay, now let's run the program and see the output. So enter first number. What is the first number? I'm just saying 15. Enter second number. I'm just entering 30. So now you see the sum of 15 and 30 is 45.0. Now let's see the program, what we have written line by line with the help of explanation. Okay, so first what we are doing is, in this program we ask the user to enter two numbers. So how do we whatever the value we have entered from the keyboard, so that should be read. So how do we read that? So we have a function or the method called input. What does input do? It reads a string from the standard input. Okay, the trailing new line is stripped. The prompt string, if given, is printed to standard output without trailing new line before reading input. So I'm just telling you what this input does is, it reads a string from the standard input like keyboard. So here we have taken the values from the keyboard, both num1 and num2, with the help of input. Now what we are doing is, we are converting whatever the value we are taken from the keyboard, actually it is string. So we need to explicitly convert into integer or float or complex number. So based on the type, whatever we are planning to give. Okay. So then we are converting the string into number using this float function. And finally, we are storing this result into sum. Finally, print, what is this? The sum of 0 and 1 is 2 dot format num1, num2 and sum. Hope you got it right. So this is how we add two numbers in Python. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.